has a little bit of an intake leak right here, but I fixed it. The gasket blew out down here. It blew out the side, so I took some of this gasket maker stuff and fixed some of the gasket. I fixed like half the gasket. You can see where I kind of still need to trim that, but I need to fix the gasket on this side. Probably just have to end up redoing the gaskets until I can buy new ones or get them ordered in. Anyway, this is my Farmall end that I've been working on for quite a while now. I have another end over here for parts. It's a parts tractor. I took some of the stuff, took the carburetor off. This one was a running tractor, but the head was cracked on it. I got a new magneto, like a brand new Royal King battery. And this tractor has the same gas tank from Knoxville. It has the radiator from off that tractor, and I've just kind of swapped parts. This tractor over here has a brand new outer wheel and a brand new tire that I'm going to put on this one. And I mean, that's what I'm going to end up doing that. This tractor sounds pretty good sitting here idling, I think. Anyway, it's a 5-inch chrome stack. I just basically got that from the junkyard. Did some little welds. They don't look too good, but I did this. And like I said, there's a leak right there, and all that fun stuff. That carburetor come off that one. It took quite a while for it to get running, but I believe I finally got it. I still need to do a few things to it, like get the belt put on for the pulley for the generator. But overall, this tractor hadn't run in like 6 years. I finally got it running today. So I take that as an achievement or accomplishment, whatever you want to call it. It don't matter. But yeah, this is my Farmall M. I don't know what year. It's like a, I don't know, 5049 or something. I don't know if you all want to. Here, look at that serial number. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly, but I had to make a bunch of stuff for it, retrofit some stuff. And I mean, it sounds good. I like it, and I'm probably gonna end up using it this summer. So yeah, this is my Farmall in. It is like 12:30 in the morning. Waking up all the neighbors. Waking up all the neighbors out there in the newly built shop. But yeah, this is my project. I've been working on it. You might see more of this. I don't know. I want to end up repainting it, restoring it, doing everything with it, get new stuff and plow with it and everything, and hopefully do pretty good with it. So, man, I don't know really what else to say. I mean, had to get the starter rebuilt. Everything else on it's all original that I know. Original pistons, maybe. I don't know. They kind of look rebuilt. Like these pistons over here, I think this engine has been into. It has the has like flat. Hold on. Has like the flat top pistons in them. And then this tractor over here had the pistons that kind of had the little like ridges in them. I don't know what you'd call them, like a dome almost. But yeah, I mean, I enjoy it. First time hearing it run with a stack on it. Finally got it timed right. Runs pretty good. Still got a few more things to do to it, but just kind of sharing with you because I looked on Facebook, looked around for straight pipes, 5-inch straight pipes, see what it sounds like. And, well, right here is what it sounds like. So. this is my Farmall M, and I guess, I mean, that's all I really have to share about it. That's all that's really to it. I mean, I guess, I don't know, I was going to shut it off, call it a night. It's been a long day. So, I guess this is Keeks at 359. I'll see y'all next time.